Did you know the first 5 seconds are crucial if a viewer is hooked into a video or not? That is the reason why Mr. Beast screams so loud in the first couple of seconds. But this is not the topic for today. I want to show you first the rules for investing. There are 5 rules. The first rule is you keep your stocks for over 6 months, because if you directly buy new stocks and sell it in a couple of weeks, days or something like that, it should look like that you are a day trader. For that reason, hold your stocks over 6 months, and I hope we all are long-term investors into ETFs and stocks. And the second point is, if you do not buy or sell more than 5 times what you have already invested, for that you can sell it before it reaches almost the 5 times of the buying price. That is one way. But guys, these rules are not 100% like this. It could have changes. You don't have to stuck 100% to these rules, because if you sell, I don't know, 5,000 stocks in less than 6 months and sell it over the price of 4 times, you could also get troubles for that. So don't stuck to these rules, but it's just like to show you how it should look like. So the third point is, you do not live off the interest and dividends from your current income. It is explained by itself. Your ETF purchases are not financed by someone else. You should never do that. Just invest the money that you can invest, and you do not buy derivatives. These are the 5 rules for investing. So as I told you, in this video I will show you my motto. As you can see, here's just the number 1000. So what do I mean with the number? I saw a quote a couple of years ago and I try to live off it. It means, like, for example, if I give you $1,000, tell you like you have 1 year time to double it, would you be successful? It's just a matter of time, right? And can do whatever you want. Like, you can buy stuff, sell it even more expensive, or invest it, or I don't know. You have all the options that you can use, or do e-commerce or something like that. But it is possible, right, to double $1,000. But if you double the $1,000 to $2,000 and double the $2,000 to $4,000, you probably understand what I want to tell. We double the 4,000 to 8,000, and at the end, if you just double, and for that I show you my motto too, 10 times the amount that you started with, and that was the $1,000, you reach $1,240,000. And I think that is amazing, right? And the same thing would happen if you invest instead of 1,000, 1 million, and you are a billionaire. Did you understand the point? It is just doubling your money. And when I started with 1,000. Now I've gained 2,000. I reached the 4,000 mark, and almost in my first year I reached the 8,000 mark. And I know these are small numbers and small steps, but I live off this motto. Guys, I hope you understand it. It is really, really a big lesson that I've learned, but it is just like my motto. I know at the beginning it goes very quick, and afterwards it will take a while. But if you have quality and a product which you can sell, or a stock which is going good, it is possible, because everything is possible. You just have to want it and have the discipline to continue. For that, I was trying to get my girlfriend also into investing, because she didn't care about it a lot. So I try to sell you the same things which I tried with my girlfriend. So you have an annual interest rates of 0%, okay? Your period of years when you invest are 30 years. You just think about if you go in retirement and you want to have a little bit money at your side, and as well, if something happens, you always need money with you. The numbers of payments are 12. That means you pay every month $1,000 inside of your broker, okay? And you do that for 30 years. You would have in 1 year 12,000, right? In 2 years 24,000, and the list continues. After 9 years you reach the 100,000 mark, okay? You have the $100,000, and then it continues. At the 17th years you have the 200,000 mark. 25th year you have the 300,000 mark, and at the end the conclusion is you will have around $360,000 in 30 years. And that's amazing, right? But what if we put the interest rate in it? It is around 4%, and as you can see, I calculated that it is 360,000, and that's amazing, right? But it takes 30 years. You have no compound in it. Warren Buffett also said if he could change something, he would probably want to have even more years to compound his money, and he is so successful with it. So for that, I calculated already. I put the same numbers that we had in the Excel. That means, like, instead of the 0%, I've put around 7, because it is always around 7% if you invest your money. I've put also like 30 years to do 12 payments monthly with $1,000. So the result is like this. You see the orange points are the compound money, and for that you see how it goes bigger and bigger. And I've calculated the same thing that we had earlier, just with the 7%. So we go back to the Excel file, and here you see I've just used the 7%, and we reached the 100,000 mark, because we have the compound in the 7th year instead of the 9th. And as you can follow, it goes a little bit shorter always. The 200 mark is now at the 11th year instead of the 17th. Guys, you see how much time you're saving, and if we have even more money, it goes very, very fast. And as you can see, I scroll down a little bit, you see like in 15 years you have already the 300,000 mark, and it's hard to get the even numbers because the compound is not waiting for you, and I had to break down the middle of the year into the month, and I don't want to do that because otherwise we won't see the overview as good as now. You have at the 17th years almost at the 400,000 mark, and you see like steps go even quicker, and here you have almost like in every year around 100,000 and plus. So guys, at the end of these 30 years, instead of 360,000, you would have $1,219,971. I think that is a result which you can see and live off. That was how I've get my girlfriend into the investment game, and hopefully you enjoyed it and see what the compound is doing in favor to you guys. Stay strong, invest, and see you soon. Bye bye.